Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. This is girl Homo, and today I'm here with a clothing haul. I'm going to be quick on this one. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll be really quick. But before I show you what I got from H&M, I'd like to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers for your support. If you are not a subscriber, come on, what are you waiting for? Support your girl, make me happy, support me by subscribing to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, it's that notification bell to get notified, and it's that red button to subscribe to my channel. And today I'm just going to be showing you a few things I bought from H&M. I'm so excited about this one because I'm not, I would say I don't really shop during sales time, but for some reason, or I would like to say a big thank you to my friend Chief for taking me shopping, because I didn't have the intention to buy anything. I think we just wanted to pick up something for our daughter, and when I got in, I realized there was a major massive sales going on. Guys, this sales is mad. Maybe it's just me. I'm just so excited because I've never been opportune, or I've never been in a position whereby I'll get good bargain like this from H&M or, you know, any of these high streets, because apparently most of the time when sales is going on, is either I can't go or something would happen and I won't be able to shop. But anyway, enough of my ranting. Let me just show you what I got and how much this stuff cost. Let me start from what I have on right now, and I'll try and zoom. I'll see if I can bring the camera closer. Oh, I think, would it be? Yeah. And this top I got from H&M. It's just a simple lacy top. I just love the simplicity of it. It's off shoulder. I love the details of the neck here. And I think it's about 10 or 6 pounds. Guys, this top is so beautiful. It's just amazing. These jeans I got from H&M too. Let me move back a bit. I might be too distant. Yeah, it's an ankle jeans. I'm a bit distant, so I need to move closer so that I can talk to you guys. These jeans fit like magic, and this jeans I think goes for like probably 6 pounds. Yeah, 6 pounds for these jeans. And I don't have any jeans from H&M apparently. Most of my jeans are from Fashion Nova, so I was pretty excited when I tried this on, and it fits so well. The fit is amazing, though it was a bit of a struggle to get it in, but after getting it in, I just love the fit. Look at the fit at the back. I love it. I love these chains. So another thing I got from H&M, I think I have to sit down to do this because I don't think I want to wear everything. Another thing I got from H&M is this skirt, and this is 6 pounds. It's a short mini skirt, and this is just a skirt I feel like I could wear when I go on holiday with my husband and I just want to sit by the pool, or I just want to lazy around. Let me see if I can quickly throw it on. I think I'm just going to wear it on this jeans. I can't be bothered, guys. So yeah, it's just a simple skirt. Okay, it's not doing justice, so I think I need to pull this jeans, so give me a moment, I'll be right back. So yeah, I feel like if I'm going to be showing you anything, I have to, you know, it has to be right on point. So this is what the skirt looks like. It's got this ruffle detail at the front, and you know, it cuts like this. It's a mini skirt. It's not what I would usually wear when I'm out and about, because I'm not a mini skirt person. But I can always wear it when I'm on holiday. It's good bargain. I think I still did the price is 6 pounds, guys. Six pounds. Don't tell anyone. Okay, another thing I got from H&M is this short. I've always wanted something like this, and hang on a minute. Okay, yeah. The skirt says £12.99. That is the original price, £12.99, and they sold it for 6 pounds. So yeah, this is another short I picked up from H&M. And this shirt, I actually picked up this shirt because I've always wanted something like this for a while now, and when I saw it I just felt, voila, this is it. And it's 10 pounds, guys. 10 damn pounds. And I know that it retails for probably about 20 something pounds if I'm not mistaken. I know you can't see my face right now, so let me just pull this and zip this up so that you can see. I think I should have gone a size up, I don't know, but this should work. This is my first time trying it on because I just picked it up. I didn't even try it on. Okay, here we go. We got it all in. And it's just a beautiful shirt that you can wear, and it's summertime. I could wear this on a lovely t-shirt and tuck it in, or just a spaghetti top, a strapless top or something, and I'll be good to go. I just love these shorts, and it goes for £10. I think it's a good bargain if you ask me. Shopping at H&M for the quality is good price. So I'm going to show you the two last things I got and we're done. This jeans I got from H&M too, and this jeans is, I think, let me just see that, I think it's about £10 or £6 too. And I've always wanted something like this, but each time I see it, the fit, it doesn't just fit right. So when I saw this one, I was not sure of it, but after trying it on, it fits perfectly, and I'm in the size 28, and this is size 28, and it fits just like the other one. And the other one is also size, no, the other one is 29, is the high waist skinny jeans, and this one is skinny ankle jeans. So I love this. It's just a simple jeans. You know, I'm a jeans person, so I love to collect jeans when I have the opportunity. The last and not the least that I got from H&M is just a simple summer dress. It's a short dress. It's a flowery dress. I love flowery dress. It retails for $12.99, but they sold it for $6, and I'm the size medium, and it fits perfectly. So yeah, if you want to get some good bargain, run to H&M. I got mine last week Friday, if I'm not mistaken, and today is Monday. So yeah, I believe you should still be able to get good bargain in any H&M store, especially the big stores, because where I bought my stuff from is not an H&M big store. It's just one of the retail, not really small, but it's not actually small. Whatever I'm talking about, it's not a small store, but it's not a massive store. So if you have like the massive ones, run there, get your bargain, look, make sure you look around. You know, sometimes they would have mixed up some other stuff. Just take your time, make sure the kids are not with you, look around, and I'm sure you get yourself some bargain. Okay, I'm done guys. Okay, so thank you for watching me, thank you for your support, and don't forget to subscribe. I want to leave you with a word: be true to yourself, be good to yourself, enjoy life. I'm enjoying mine. I'm living my life to the fullest. I hope you're living yours. This life, we live it just once. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.